on? What is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we're going to talk about what's happening with XRP in the XRP community. Now, market XRP is at around $1.14. Again, just being stable right now, cooling down before the next leg up. But if you go to Uphold Suite, do you think XRP will hit double digits this year? What do you guys think? Confirmation right here. Now you guys can go ahead and comment down below. What do you guys think about the price of XRP by this year? But now guys, before we jump into this, let's not natural fast and natural face, just value only. Baba Sweet out. Riddlers wins.
And that's kind of what I see with XRP right now, is this is easy money. And I think that all of the judgment and the hate towards the XRP army and all of the things that they've said over the last few years, I think it's going to age very badly, because it looks like they're right about a lot of stuff. Now, were they getting crazy conspiracy, theory? Were they doing crazy conspiracy theories and reading too much into things? Maybe on some level, but the banks are adopting XRP. The big narrative before was that, oh, the banks were using the Ripple technology, but they weren't going to be using XRP. Now, a lot of people don't know, when Ripple rebranded a lot of their products and came out with RippleNet, you have to use XRP to use RippleNet. You have to use XRP to use their on-demand liquidity service now. XRP is now woven into that entire, the UI that is RippleNet that all the banks are going to be using. And we're seeing slowly, one by one in Asia, more banks committing to Ripple. This has already been determined. The banks are going to use Ripple. When you start understanding that 90% of the banks are owned by basically one entity, you really start understanding that these dominoes are falling, but they've been predetermined to fall. So Ripple is out there
predetermined to fall, guys. Pre-planned decades ago. That's what comes from Flame 21 more. The Freemason said he feels like something huge is coming. Now we see right here.
Do you feel like we're on the threshold of something? Like something big is going to happen? I kind of been feeling like that all day long. It was really like sucking my will out. Anyway, maybe I'm just being paranoid, but just everything is wrong. Everything is wrong right now. And, it just seems to me like the time is ripe or right for something here. I don't know.
But again, something huge, guys. What do you guys feel? And now, guys, just start off one part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is called White. Interesting. Full check a sweet out. Mr. Pool, things that make you go, What do we see right here? Shh. Look at this. Remember this? And then that right there. But it gets even crazier if you go down here. US troops withdrawal only means end of oil-backed currency. Makes way for gold. Gold, right? Keep that thought. Because if you go to the next tweet, from Truth Seek, on week 33 of the year, what a coincidence. Look at this, guys. Pretty crazy. 333. Nearly timed their capture of Kabul exactly 33 years, 3 months after the Soviet withdrawal from Afghanistan began. Alter Vigo suit out. Hint. 119. Beginning and end. Again. We go down here. If you add all it up, what is it equal to? 33. Look at that, guys. Pretty crazy, to say the least. Again, 9/11. But Alter Vigo tweet out, remember about the gold-backed currency? What do we see here? Breaking news. Palantir buys $51 million in gold bars. Hey, Peter Thiel, look at that. Whoa, again. Check mark, guys. Mr. Intuitive has tweeted out, you'll understand this photo in due time. Again, that's him right here. Look at that. Look at that photo. If you go down here, the Wave and Ripple design book from Satoshi Nakamoto. Pretty crazy, no doubt about it. Remember, gold, 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 right? David Evans is tweeted out, central banks have purchased 333.2 tons of gold, 333, an increase of 39% over the 5-year average in the first half of 2021. Guys, that's pretty crazy again. We all know about these numbers. Now it gets even crazier. IMF News is tweeted out, the collapse of the system of fixed exchange rates shook the world in 1971, but paved the way for the modern international monetary system as we contemplate how the digital age may further alter the system. The past holds some lessons. So when XRP, there we go, guys. Remember the collapse of the system, huh? If you go to next from Valchester, we are in a failing system currently. People don't think this resets will involve a high-valued XRP post-collapse. They must have experienced a reset before. 50K plus for the experts. Again, guys, we know what's going to take place. Guys, $50,000 plus for XRP, no doubt about it. People think we're crazy for saying those numbers, no doubt. Jim Masudo, I think I solved it. Howard Moon dropped Ray-Ban's hash leads to an order for Bitcoin equal XRP. Reflected in the lens is a polygon, the wargame for Klaus Schwab's cyber attack. The cyber pandemic picture looks like it has the Bitcoin symbol in the virial particles. Look at this, guys. Now, it does make sense at the end of the day. Look at that. 1 Bitcoin to 1 XRP. The exchange of price. Isn't that insane? Guys, be prepared because this cyber pandemic is right on the horizon and these other dominoes or events will fall too. So, I do have a Ledger affiliate link down in the description below so you guys can go ahead and buy one. Ray Rose tweet out, remember, this was a warning. I think this could happen sooner than you think. Do you have what you need yet? If you don't, it doesn't hurt to be prepared before you run out of luck. Look at this, guys. Remember, from Mr. Pool himself. Remember, if we take it literal, guess what's going to happen? The shelves, everything seems to be empty, out of stock, 1 each per household. Remember what happened with the thing that's taking place right now? In the beginning, when it actually took place last year, everything was out of stock. People were buying left and right. Imagine if something crazier took place, guys. Brother Sweet Out, behold a pale horse, as you see right here. Now this is pretty crazy. You guys can read all of this. We see giant solar prominence, guys. Now if we go to the next view, which connects from David Evans, how do you bring down the system? A cyber attack, possibly, but then you have to blame someone. How would you take down the system without blame? Go solar to appease the sun god. Lights out. There we go, guys. Again, pretty crazy stuff. The blackouts as well. Wow. I mean, I feel like everything is happening for a reason. For example, they want to bring down this current financial system for the new digital one, guys. Think about it. Riddles of Pseudo, the bear waits for Xmas 2019, Xmas 2021. Enjoy the show. Makes sense. You guys can see. Interesting. 2020 XRP is king. If you go down here, 9/13. Right there. September as well. 1 coin to rule them all. If you go here, pay attention to the week of September 15th. Again, guys, September does seem to be a huge month. No doubt about that. Speakers, just makes me feel like we are close to liftoff. If I had to guess, I would say we start to moon on the 19th. Again, on the 19th. We'll wait and see, guys. What do you guys think? What are your dates that you're looking forward to? Again, for Riddles, starts at that time, ends at there. But the timeline works in reverse, as you can see right here, which is 23rd of August. That seems to be it. 33rd week, King is a switch A23. As well as that's taking place. Look at that. Effective on August 23rd. Allocation of SDRs. Guys, it does seem like, to say the least, we are at the finale. Fujikusuda, ripples in Saturn's ring reveal planet's fuzzy core. What? We got fuzzy number 1 and then ripples as well. Come on, guys. Okay. XRP Captain Pseudo, Black Swan stock market and forex market will have a high impact crash. 2 options for big investors: gold and crypto will be a safe haven. That's why this bull run could be extended bull run. Now, remember, when he talks about crypto, not all of these S coins and meme coin cryptos, the utility cryptos. Example, the chosen one, which is the Phoenix XRP. Remember, 99% of these cryptos that don't have utility will vanish and disappear away. Reborn in Sweeto, XRP is playing the foundational role as part of an agenda bigger than your mind can fathom. 4 digits is destiny. Few understand this, but keep in mind, the phoenix rises from the ashes of destruction. So, what is yet to be destroyed cannot rebirth itself anew until it does so. XRP Phoenix is out. In Gematria, this sums to 262. 262nd day of the year equals September 19th, 2021. 19/9, 2021. As you can see, it looks like a hash from that as well. So, again, guys, prepare for September because it does seem like August, September, these next few months will be insane. Truth Seekers Shootout, do you see me covering or even talking or just talking about the Ripple versus SEC debacle? No, of course not, because it's a joke. The outcome is already predetermined. It's a waste of time to pay attention to it. What's more important is Songbird and Flare. There we go again, guys. We all know it's just a show. The fountain for today's video comes from Baba Cooks. Always remember, who is ready to see a bunch of people A, pretend like they knew Riddlers were real, B, pretend they have owned XRP this entire time, C, exaggerate the size of their XRP bags. Enjoy the show. You'll like what happens next. You will like what happens next. Guys, who's excited? We'll wait and see. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys please leave a like, subscribe, feel free to be around channel. So you guys are having an amazing day, and you guys, see ya.